one cool thing that your iPhone can do is actually give you the names of dog breeds or plant types. So it's very similar to a Pokédex. So in order to use this feature, all you need is a screenshot and or a video. If we open photos, we have a photo of a plant I took about a month ago. And if we tap on the information icon, which is the second to last button on the bottom, then we can see what type of plant it is. And if we tap on the plant name, then we get some more information. If you have a picture of a dog, for example, just open that dog's photo, and you also want to tap on the information icon, and it would actually give you the breed, which in this picture it's correct. Sometimes it would give incorrect breeds, but in general I found this to be pretty accurate. And like with the plant, you can tap on the name of the breed and you will get more information about that breed. Hopefully this video has been helpful. This is a pretty neat feature that I don't think a lot of people discuss. So do all of the YouTube things, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.